Imagine your house flooded out following 24 inches of rain, partnered with high winds. The insulated crawl space under your first floor will take months to dry out once it is exposed to the air. The drywall that formerly held your family portraits is warped and wavy. The ceiling is drooping and unsteady. The electricity and all forms of fuel needed to be cut off as a means of keeping your house free from fires. You can no longer live in the home you grew up in. Good News Project is an organization based in Wausau, Wisconsin that focuses on meeting real needs by putting volunteers to work nationally and abroad. In late September 2016, while most people were paying attention to politics, our staff and board of directors watched a tropical storm called Matthew. We were paying attention because Good News Project volunteers annually serve our international neighbors in the Caribbean. The storm passed between St. Lucia and Dominica. By the first week of October, the tropical storm had developed into a full-fledged hurricane, which pummeled the east coast of the United States. America saw 3 days of footage of massive flooding, lost homes, and dreams of our neighbors on the coast. The media quickly turned back to pre-election coverage, and the devastating plight of North Carolina residents was all but forgotten. Emergency evacuations were issued. Thousands of families, many of which were uninsured, moved into one-room hotels and community centers. As of February 2017, thousands of families are still displaced. Cleanup is slow. 29,000 homes in Robeson County, North Carolina, were affected by Hurricane Matthew. The people now have to rely on government emergency assistance, nonprofit organizations, churches, and hundreds of thousands of able-bodied volunteers to help put the pieces of their lives back together. In November 2016, Good News Project founders Peg and Dr. Chuck McCarthy traveled to 3 communities in North Carolina: Raleigh, Fayetteville, and Lumberton. They wanted to find out how our skilled volunteers might be able to help with their plight. They participated in several meetings, one of which was with the director of North Carolina Volunteer Organizations Assisting in Disaster, otherwise known as NCVOAD. It's a nonprofit organization that has been in existence since the mid-70s and is efficient at mobilizing volunteers, work teams, and finances to do the most good. McCarthy's also met with local church leaders and Rotary clubs. Good News Project is now teaming up with the NC Volunteer Organization to assist families in need by mucking out houses, mold remediation, and some reconstruction. What is needed to be a Good News Project volunteer? A desire to serve and help others, a sense of purpose, doing what you can because you can. Consider joining a Good News Project service team today.